The Business Resilience Framework, BRF, is a strategic approach that goes beyond traditional business continuity and risk management. It embeds resilience into the very fabric of your organization, its strategy, culture, and day-to-day operations, so you're not just prepared to weather disruptions, but also primed to seize new opportunities. This is a C-suite board guide to implementing the Business Resilience Framework. In the BRF, 5 key areas or domains work together to create a holistic, future-ready organization. Principles, resilience foundations, the progress cycle, pace culture, and clearly defined roles. Principles guide decision-making and set the tone for how resilience is viewed, championed, and measured. Resilience foundations provide the structural and procedural backbone that keeps resilience work consistent and scalable. The progress cycle ensures there's an iterative, improvement-oriented mechanism for incorporating feedback and evolving as the market and organizational context shift. A strong pace culture ensures that teams are motivated and empowered to put resilience plans into action, sustaining momentum and adapting in real time. Clearly defined roles inject clarity into this entire system, ensuring that each step in the progress cycle is owned and executed effectively, and that principles and foundations are upheld. Together, these 5 domains ensure that your organization doesn't just survive challenging times, but continuously learns, evolves, and thrives. Imagine you're standing at the helm of your organization, ready to steer the ship through both calm and turbulent waters. As top-level leaders, your decisions set the course. Here's how you can create a solid foundation for BRF adoption. 1. Strategic alignment. Establish a clear vision. Show everyone how BRF ties directly into your strategic goals. Make it routine. Integrate resilience into regular planning sessions, not just annual or crisis-driven discussions. 2. Cultural leadership. Lead by example. Your enthusiasm and openness to change will inspire others to embrace BRF. Encourage adaptability. Reward teams for learning quickly and being flexible, reinforcing a culture of resilience. 3. Governance and oversight. Define success. Use specific metrics, for example, recovery times, cost savings, innovation metrics, to measure your progress. Keep an eye on things. Schedule regular check-ins or reports so you can pivot quickly if anything goes off track. 4. Resource allocation. Provide the right tools. Ensure teams have the technology and funding needed to drive resilience. Invest in people. Allocate time and budget for training so employees feel supported and confident. 5. Stakeholder communication. Bring everyone on board, from employees to external partners. Share why BRF matters and how it benefits them. Foster collaboration. Align suppliers, customers, and other stakeholders with your resilience goals to strengthen the entire network. Now picture the difference between merely having an emergency plan in a drawer and actually weaving resilience into your organization's DNA. BRF offers a comprehensive approach that doesn't just help you survive challenges, it positions you to thrive. 1. Proactive agility. Stay a step ahead. Identify market shifts and emerging threats before they hit. Spot opportunities early. When others are scrambling, you're poised to innovate and grow. 2. Integrated approach. Make resilience part of your strategy, culture, and day-to-day operations, not just a box to check off. Encourage leadership behaviors that champion change and innovation. 3. Continuous progress. Keep fine-tuning your processes, products, and strategies. Learn from wins and failures alike to stay ahead of the curve. 4. Wider ecosystem impact. Strengthen supply chains and partnerships so that everyone benefits from a shared commitment to resilience. Reduce vulnerabilities that might pop up elsewhere in your network. Think of your organization as an orchestra. Each section plays a critical part in creating a harmonious performance. In the same way, different groups need tailored training to ensure the BRF resonates throughout the company. Executive leadership. You provide the vision and advocacy for resilience. Operational leaders. Department heads translate resilience strategies into everyday operational practices. Project and initiative managers, progress masters, and initiative leaders ensure the BRF is executed effectively. Frontline employees. They're on the ground every day. Give them practical tools for spotting risks and solutions. External partners, suppliers, contractors, and other collaborators need to understand your goals so they can align their efforts too. You don't have to start from scratch to be more resilient. The BRF can layer onto what you already do well, making improvements where it really counts. Build on what you have. Take stock of current continuity or risk management practices and see how BRF can amplify their impact. Keep change manageable by using familiar processes and tools where possible. Plug-in framework tools. Incorporate BRF-specific tools like resilience profiling or progress cycles into your normal workflows. Start small and then expand as you see results. Do targeted upgrades. Focus on the high-impact areas first to get quick wins. Once you have momentum, scale your efforts to the rest of the organization. A structured roadmap ensures clarity and accountability for each phase of BRF adoption. Below is a simple yet comprehensive path to embedding resilience at every level. 1. Initiate and align. Form a resilience steering committee. Gather key executives and board members who will champion BRF. Define big picture objectives. Make sure they tie closely to your overarching strategy. 2. Assess current state. Conduct a resilience gap analysis. Determine where your organization stands now and what needs attention. Gather feedback. Get input from employees, partners, and customers about what's working and what isn't. 3. Develop the plan. Choose high-impact initiatives, pilot projects, or training sessions that can show immediate value. Assign ownership and resources. Make sure each initiative has a clear leader and allocated support. 4. Implement and train. Roll out targeted training. Customize it for executives, managers, and frontline teams. Integrate new practices. Start by embedding BRF principles in high-priority areas before expanding further. 5. Monitor and report. Track KPIs and milestones. Measure things like response times, cost avoidance, or employee engagement. Provide regular updates. Keep leadership and stakeholders informed of progress and challenges. 6. Refine and expand. Conduct post-implementation reviews. Gather lessons learned and success stories. Scale successes. Apply proven methods across departments and extend to partners and suppliers. 7. Sustain and evolve. Build BRF thinking into annual planning, budgets, and executive dashboards. Continuously iterate and innovate. Keep resilience top of mind, adapting to new trends and challenges. As we reach the end of our journey, remember that resilience isn't just an insurance policy. It's an ongoing commitment to staying agile, adaptable, and forward-thinking. By embedding the BRF into your strategy, culture, and daily operations, you're setting your organization up to bounce back from setbacks and thrive in evolving markets. With a strong foundation, a culture of learning, and a unified vision of resilience, you'll be well prepared to face whatever comes next and seize every opportunity along the way. Now it's over to you. Take these steps, tailor them to your unique context, and watch your organization transform into a powerhouse of agility and long-term success. Further information on business resilience and business resilience-focused products can be found on our website at www.ResilienceProfessionals.com and the APMG's portal at www.apmg-international.com.